I get an update on what we're seeing here in St. Joseph County. WSBT 22's Patrick Roth is live in New Carlisle tonight. And Patrick, give us an update from where you're at. How's it going out there?
Well, it's raining, Rick. I can tell you that. It wasn't raining at 10 o'clock, but it really actually kind of lightened up a little bit. We were on Facebook Live at around 10:30, and that was pretty much the heart of the storm. There was lightning followed immediately by thunder. We're having a little bit of a pause. We're not seeing as much lightning as we saw earlier, but I want to give you an idea of how much rain we're seeing. I don't know, Billy, if you can show that. There's this almost like a little river along the curbs here, and they extend out maybe about 3 feet past the curb, and it's deep. It was up to about my ankle when I stepped in that, and that water is moving real quick. Now, like we said, the storm's dying down a little bit here. It is obviously still raining. Good news, though, is as you can see behind me, we still have electricity. AEP was working throughout the course of the past couple of days to get power restored from that storm on Monday, and this storm could potentially complicate matters there. But if you don't have power, there is a place you can go. The American Red Cross has opened up a shelter at Sacred Heart Parish in South Bend, just off campus at Notre Dame. They have space for about 50 people. When we talked to them earlier, they said they're going to be reassessing whether or not they're going to be staying open potentially longer if there's more power outages going on right now. So obviously, Rick, it is still raining. The wind has kind of died down. The occasional flash of lightning. Other than that, it's pretty much really dead right now. A lot of people are staying inside, as you should be. Live in New Carlisle, Patrick Roth, WSBT 22 News.